Tired of messy closets and endless laundry? Learn how to fold clothes like a pro in just 10 seconds. In this video, we'll show you simple, effective folding hacks to transform your laundry routine and keep your wardrobe organized. Watch as we turn a pile of messy clothes into perfectly neat stacks. It's easier than you think. These techniques will not only save you precious time, but also maximize your closet and drawer space. First up, the shirt folding hack. Say goodbye to wrinkled, disorganized shirts. Start by laying your shirt flat on a clean surface, smoothing out any wrinkles. Master the pinch and flip method for a quick and crisp fold every time. With a few swift moves, you'll achieve a perfect rectangle, ideal for stacking or shelving. Next, let's tackle pants. This hack will keep your trousers neat and crease-free. Lay your pants flat, ensuring the legs are aligned and smooth. Fold the pants in half lengthwise, bringing the two legs together. Whether you prefer rolling or pleating, this method ensures compact and tidy storage. Don't forget about the small stuff. Here are some quick tips for socks and underwear. Learn how to fold socks into neat pairs and underwear into compact bundles. These techniques will help you keep your drawers incredibly organized and clutter-free. You've now learned how to fold clothes like a pro. Time to put these skills into practice. Remember the shirt's pinch and flip and the pants' lengthwise fold followed by a roll or pleat. Enjoy your perfectly folded clothes, a tidy wardrobe, and all the time you've saved.